Hey there, creative minds. Today, we will learn a new technique of how to draw human figures better. Before we start, let me extend a warm welcome to the CSMC channel for all the creative minds out there. Choose your preferred medium, be it digital or paper. This tutorial is meant to develop your study of forms, study of human figure and anatomy. For this practice, we need three things: Xerox of 7.5 head human proportion model sheet, printouts of different poses, trace paper. For today's artistry trivia, the Loomis head drawing method, which helps in simplifying the drawing of heads, was invented by which artist? Drop your guesses in the comments below and stay tuned till the end to know the correct answer. Before we start, we recommend you check this video to know about how to simplify 7.5 head human proportions. If you are struggling with drawing difficult poses, using this technique of tracing the pose using a trace paper will help in growing your understanding. Now let's take our pose printout and place it under the tracing paper. Make sure the pose is visible enough to draw over it. The link to the images used here are in the description, so use them and let's get started. If you are doing it digitally, decrease the opacity of pose image and take a new layer to draw on. First, start with identifying the shape of the torso and carefully trace it using simplified shape. Next, identify the pelvis and trace it. We will trace the hands connecting to the shoulder joints using cylindrical forms. Now trace the base connecting to the torso. After that, identify the joints of the legs and then connect to them cylindrical shapes to trace legs. And use basic shapes to trace the feet as well. Now, if you mark the sketch using a red pencil and compare it with the proportion, you will see that you get 7.5 head proportions. Let us use the same technique on another pose. Again, start with identifying the torso and tracing it using simplified form. In the last sketch, we had the frontal view of the torso, but this time we have 3/4 view, so whenever you are doing this practice, always pay attention to the position of the torso and the pelvis. Next, identify the shoulder joint and trace the arms. And finally, trace the legs. Now, if you take a colored pencil and draw over the simplified human figure, you can add various details to the basic sketch. This practice will help you in understanding the human forms better, and you will be able to simplify the figures. Now, coming back to the artistry trivia question, the Loomis head drawing method was invented by Andrew Loomis, an American illustrator, author, and art instructor, in his book Drawing the Head and Hands, published in 1956. I would like to see your creative end results, so share your output to me on WhatsApp for further evaluation and feedback. For more such helpful and insightful tutorials, make sure to visit the CSMC Training YouTube channel and definitely check out the advanced playlist to add more skills to your arsenal. Thanks for watching. Subscribe and hit the bell icon to never miss a drawing tutorial from CSMC.